6 Health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple juice vinegar is a famous home cure. Individuals have used it for quite a long time in cooking and medication. Many people guarantee it can diminish a wide range of health complaints, yet you may consider what the studies say. Apple juice vinegar has different healthful properties, including antimicrobial and cancer prevention agent impacts. Also, proof recommends it might offer medical advantages, for example, helping weight reduction, decreasing cholesterol, bringing down glucose levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. In any case, little examination exists, and further investigations are required before it very well may be suggested as an alternative treatment. 1. High in healthful substances. Apple juice vinegar is made via a two-step process. To start with, the producer exposes squashed apples to yeast, which ages the sugars and transforms them into liquor. Then, they add microbes to further ferment the liquor, transforming it into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Acetic acid gives vinegar its strong sour smell and flavor. Analysts accept this acid as responsible for apple juice vinegar's medical advantages. Cider vinegars are 5 to 6% acetic acid. Natural, unfiltered apple juice vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, chemicals, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. Some people believe that the mother is answerable for the vast majority of its medical advantages, despite the fact that there are currently no studies to support this. While apple juice vinegar doesn't contain numerous nutrients or minerals, it offers a limited quantity of potassium. Great quality brands additionally contain some amino acids and antioxidants. 2. Can help kill hurtful microscopic organisms. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including bacteria. Individuals have customarily used vinegar for cleaning and sanitizing, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean injuries over 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is likewise a food preservative, and studies show that it inhibits bacteria like Escherichia coli from growing in and ruining food. In case you're searching for a natural way to preserve your food, apple juice vinegar could help. Anecdotal reports propose that weakened apple juice vinegar could assist with acne when applied to the skin, however there doesn't appear to be any solid studies to affirm this. 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. The most effective and healthiest way to regulate blood sugar levels is to avoid refined carbs and sugar, but apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effect. Research suggests that vinegar offers the following benefits for blood sugar and insulin levels. A small study suggests vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal and significantly lower blood sugar and insulin response. In a small study in 5 healthy people, vinegar reduced blood sugar by 31.4% after eating 50 grams of white bread. A small study in people with diabetes reported that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime reduced fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. Numerous other studies in humans show that vinegar can improve insulin function and lower blood sugar levels after meals. The National Centers for Complementary and Integrative Health (NCCIH) says it's very important that people do not replace medical treatment with unproven health products. If you're currently taking blood sugar-lowering medications, check with your healthcare provider before increasing your intake of any type of vinegar. 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead you to eat fewer calories and lose weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Furthermore, a study in 175 people with obesity showed that daily apple cider vinegar consumption led to reduced belly fat and weight loss. Taking 1 tablespoon 12 milliliters led to a loss of 2.6 pounds 1.2 kilograms. Taking 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters led to a loss of 3.7 pounds 1.7 kilograms. However, keep in mind that this study went on for 3 months, so the true effects on body weight seem to be rather modest. That said, simply adding or subtracting single foods or ingredients rarely has a noticeable effect on weight. It's your entire diet or lifestyle that creates long-term weight loss. Overall, apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing insulin levels. Apple cider vinegar only contains about 3 calories per tablespoon, which is very low. 5. May improve heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors are linked to your risk of heart disease. Research suggests that vinegar could improve several of these risk factors. However, many of the studies were conducted in animals. These animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as several other heart disease risk factors. Some studies in rats have also shown that vinegar reduces blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and kidney problems. However, there is no good evidence that vinegar benefits heart health in humans. Researchers need to do more studies before reaching any strong conclusions. 6. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the protective skin barrier. On the other hand, alkaline soaps and cleansers could irritate eczema, making symptoms worse. Given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. However, one study in 22 people with eczema reported that apple cider vinegar soaks did not improve the skin barrier and caused skin irritation. Talk to your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially on damaged skin. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar to the skin, as it can cause burns. Dosage and how to use it. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in cooking. It's a simple addition to foods like salad dressings and homemade mayonnaise. Some people also like to dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. Common dosages range from 1 to 2 teaspoons 5 to 10 milliliters to 1 to 2 tablespoons 15 to 30 milliliters per day mixed in a large glass of water. It's best to start with small doses and avoid taking large amounts. Too much vinegar can cause harmful side effects, including tooth enamel erosion and potential drug interactions. Some dietitians recommend using organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegars that contain mother. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and press that like button.